We have just started our journey today from Palta car space parking area on Purbachal School Road. And our destination is the entrance of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport in Kolkata, Dumdum. I will share the location link in the description. It's an open parking space for four-wheelers located inside a residential property. From a security point of view, it felt quite safe. There's a large sliding gate at the entrance, so anyone entering or exiting the parking area can easily be monitored. The location is also very convenient. It's just about a 2-minute walk from Palta railway station and Palta market, making it a well-connected spot. From Palta in Barrackpore to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport in Dumdum, the total distance of this journey is around 22 kilometers. Now we have merged onto Sridhar Banshidhar Road, which will take us directly towards the Kalyani Expressway. Along the way, we will be driving through Sridhar Banshidhar Road, Kalyani Expressway, Barrackpore, Sodhpur Road, Sodhpur, Barasat Road, and finally Jaisur Road. So this drive should be both informative and interesting. Let's begin the journey with RT Dashcam. On the right side, you can see the Health Center Playground. It's a large open field used for various sports and outdoor activities. There's also a walking track around the field where many people come for morning and evening walks. The track is equipped with floodlights around the ground, so people can comfortably walk here even at night. On our left side, we pass Santinagar Girls High School. Just a little further ahead on the left is P.N. Das College. And on the right side, you can see the Santinagar School playground. Continuing further, on the left side we also pass Santinagar Boys High School. This entire area is known for having several well-established schools and educational institutions. We are now passing through the Jafarpur area. Up ahead, we will soon merge onto the Kalyani Expressway, which will take us further towards Sodhpur and ultimately the airport side. I'll pause the drive here for now. In the next episode, we will continue the journey as we merge onto the Kalyani Expressway and begin driving towards Sodhpur. So if you enjoy real-time dashcam drives and exploring city roads, make sure to continue with the next part of this journey. Thank you for watching RT Dashcam. Stay aware, drive safe, and enjoy the journey.